Hey guys, I'm taking you to Middle Beach Lodge to just do a quick scope of the landscaping. It's all really natural, just a couple rhodos here and there, I think. But they've done a really beautiful job maintaining this place, keeping the trees safe and off the power lines. I'm gonna drive you through. I'm gonna be focusing on the road here, so you guys pay attention. Again, just looking at the road is nice and clean looking. The shoulder, not a lot of weeds in the gravel. Hedge trimmer on the Salal. Looks like it could use a trim. I see some overgrown stuff. Not too hard to correct at this point. Not a lot of shoulder space for someone to walk, maybe with a stroller or something. That's something to consider in the future, or something I would consider in the future. Having some pedestrian room. I like how these rocks border the speed bump. Oh, great. Yeah, see, I'm gonna go really slow around these pedestrians. With the hedge trimmer, they're not maintaining a straight line ever. That's difficult. And visibility around here, keeping this corner open. Actually, I remember when I worked here, this was such a blind spot, so they did a great job keeping that view accessible. I like their signs. Their signs are great. Great job, Middle Beach. Here's a couple of rhodos. Everything is green though. That's why people love Tofino. They love the wilderness here. In Resort World, you're kind of aiming for a perfect world, and that's where like organizing the natural elements comes into play. Yeah, they keep up on their tree work. That's very smart. Yeah, just a bit of weed whacking around. Yeah, so this is where there's some blast rock, some rhodos that are gonna pop in the spring. They might toss some Christmas lights on there after Remembrance Day or something. Yeah, this could use a trim back. It's getting a little wally and enclosed in here. I don't like that. I like to have visibility in open spaces. Just, you never know when someone could be poking out with a stroller or dog. So yeah, you can see where it needs a haircut, but it's beautiful. This is beautiful, and this is where you can kind of see, like, yeah, the trees are kind of leaving a mess from the storm. A lot of hedge trimming up here. This is kind of getting a little overgrown. I don't like this. Not good for those claustrophobic people. Or, I mean, even a big truck dropping something off. I don't know if they have pop machines, or if, like, I don't know, Cisco has to get in here. They have huge trucks. So yeah, keeping like access clear is just important. Oh yeah, but they've got their fire hydrant all nice and visible. And there's just like a power box, or maybe a hose or like a water tap in the box behind the fire hydrant. But they've built a box around it so you can't see it. It looks nice. I like it. All right, let's get out of here. And this is, oh, they have their lights on even when it's day. So I'm not sure if they have maybe a light sensor that if it gets dark enough, the lights just turn on. That's really awesome. Cute path, couple weeds, nothing too crazy. Yeah, we like it. Highlighting the natural forest. Love it.